Hey, today I'm going to show you how you can get a custom QR code inside of Canva. It's a really simple process, but you are going to have to search for it a little bit here. So let's go ahead and create a new design. It doesn't really matter what dimensions you're using, just use whatever you need to for your specific project. I'm going to do 3" by 3". And once we're inside the project here, you may or may not already have the little icon right here. As you scroll down on your toolbar, you might already have it, but odds are if you've never used it before, it's not going to be showing up right here. So instead, what we want to do is we want to go to where it says apps, and then inside apps here, we just want to go to QR code generator. Okay, and you're going to have a couple different options here. This is the one that I always use. I think it's a little bit more simple. So go ahead and select this. And then this is where you are then going to copy and paste in your link right here that you want that QR code to be used for. So I already went and got a link for one of my videos. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste it right here. Before you generate the code, you can customize a couple different things. You can customize the background color, the foreground color. You could even edit the margins here. Then from there, you're just going to go ahead, generate the code, and then now we can see our custom QR code. You can go ahead and copy and paste this. You can print it out. Whatever it is that you want to do with this QR code, you can do easily. Now, just in case it's difficult for you to find this QR code, the way that I used to get to it is I would just go to Google and I would type in QR code Canva, right? And then it's going to show you right here, generate QR codes or QR code Canva apps, right? Free QR code generator. And this is going to take you to the same exact little tool that I was just using. So hopefully this video helps you out. If it did, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.